Hi HVF families, my name is Michelle and I am an intern with Autism Tree project, and today I will be showing you how to make this cute little Thanksgiving craft. Very simple. And I actually bought the supplies at Michael's and they come in a pack, and they're around like 50% off right now. It's pretty cheap, but you can easily make this at home with some pom-poms, a pipe cleaner, felt paper, and googly eyes. And then you can use construction paper and make your own custom cool leaves, or not leaves, feathers. So to start off, you can gather your supplies. If you're making this from scratch, you're going to need brown felt paper, orange felt paper, and red. And it can be like very small ones. You can buy sample sizes from Walmart or Michael's and they'll be pretty cheap. A pom-pom and an orange pipe cleaner. So first things first, if you're making it from scratch, you're gonna cut all your pieces into the right size. So this is the head. The beak is going to be a diamond shape like this. And then its arms or its wings, it'll look something like this out of the brown paper. And yeah, and 2 googly eyes, I forgot to mention. Oop. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do first is glue the googly eyes, the beak. I'm going to fold it in half like this, and the little thing down onto its face. So let me show you real quick. Look a little bit something like this. You want this right here to be under your beak, so you're gonna glue this straight onto its head and the beak down. Next, I'm gonna get my pipe cleaner. This is just a standard length and fold it in half, just like that, and snip this in half. And then depending on the length that you'd like the legs, I think I'm gonna have it like right here. I'm gonna cut it there. Actually, I'm gonna cut it a little higher. Okay, these are my legs, and this is gonna be my feet, the other half. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this pipe cleaner and make a cross like this, like that. I'm gonna twist the smaller ends. I don't know if you can see this. Twist it inwards. Let me see. So it'll look like this now. It'll look like a 3-pronged stick. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend the longer end upwards to secure it in place. So now you have little feet for the bird. I'm gonna do it for this one too. Now grab your pom-pom and you can just push them into the body. Alrighty. Next, what you're gonna do is that you're going to put it all together. So you're gonna put the body, glue the body and the head together, and then the wings on each side, like this. Okay, so gluing it on the sides, the wings. And its head. Oh. Hey, me. Okay. Lastly, just glue the, uh-oh, his wing's coming off. Glue the rest of the body to the feathers that you've made, or print it out. Okay. Cool. It might not be super dry yet, so you should let it wait and let it dry. But I think I'm just gonna pick it up and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna hold it together. And ta-da! There you go. Now my other turkey has a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.